Assalamu alaikum. Sir KHURRAM Kashan is here. Today I will discuss about some geography topics. So today's topic is about Earth, and there are many types of oceans and continents exist in this world. So we can discuss now today. First of all, I would like to start from the concept of Earth and its description, and then we proceed to their continents and oceans. So, shall we start?
Earth, our home planet, is the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. It also the only planet in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. Though there are lots of realities about Earth, we can say the blue planet on the solar system in the shape of Earth. So let start an introduction to Earth. That Earth, the planet on which we live, was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. It is the fifth largest in the solar system and the first largest in the inner planets of the solar system. It has the third position from the sun and sixth position from outer planets. It is known as the unique planet or a blue planet because it is the only planet in the universe which is known to have life. So we are living in this beautiful earth which provide us life. So there are many continents. Now 7 number of continents are there in the world, and these are very important aspects. That Asia is the largest continent in the world, about 31,033 131 kilometer long. It is the largest one. So as we proceed, the second continent of the world, so we have Africa and then Europe. Europe is about 22,134,710 kilometers longer sea in the world. The second largest continent of the world is Africa. 29, 64, 84, 81 kilometer long. And Australia, the next continent, 84, 86, 460 kilometers long. Australia is the most populous among them. Then North America is about 2133 4000 kilometer long, and the second last South America. South America is another important continent in the world, that is about 4397 19009 kilometers square, and the last is sea ice, Antarctica, 13720,000 kilometer square is the length of these continents.
So these continents in 7 in numbers. Then we discuss about the 5 oceans of the world. So the 5 oceans of the world is important. So we discuss the name of these 5 oceans first. The number 1 is Pacific Ocean. Number 2 is Atlantic Ocean. Number 3 is Indian Ocean. Number 4 is Southern Ocean. Sometimes people say Southern Ocean. And the last one is Arctic Ocean. So these 5 Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern or Arctic Ocean will discuss separately as we proceed in our lecture. So shall we start from the very first type of oceans? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Out of that, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world, while you can see that the Pacific Ocean is on the right side of the map, and the Indian and Arctic and Atlantic Ocean is also mentioned, while the Southern Ocean is near the Antarctica, the sea ice of the world. So starting from the very first ocean, the world's largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean is so big that it is larger than all of Earth's land area combined. The ocean and extending from Arctic in the north to South Ocean in the world, in the south, covering 169.2 kilometers square, millions square kilometer, 169.2 million square kilometer, with a coastline of 135,663 kilometers. It is the larger than all of the Earth's land area combined. So you can imagine the Pacific Ocean has a large area, the most largest area. Then Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, covering 106.4 million square kilometers, occupies 20% of the Earth's surface. So third one is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, covering 73,556,000 square kilometers. While Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean, covering 23,27,000 square kilometers. And the last but not least, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and in the 5 oceans, with area cover 45,389 kilometers. It is largely covered by sea ice throughout the year. Thank you.